So you're running Facebook ads, but you're not really sure if they are actually working. You're getting some clicks, maybe even a skill or two, but at the same time, you're watching your budget disappear, and that can be stressful. I get it. Facebook ads can feel like a money pit when you don't know what's working, but there is a smart, low-budget way to test your ads before you start spending big. In this video, I'm breaking down a 5-phase Facebook ads testing strategy to help you understand what actually works so you can scale the winners and get rid of the ads that don't perform. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to plan, test, and track your ads without burning your budget. Now let's start with the number one reason most business owners fail with Facebook ads and how you can avoid it. Most business owners make the same mistake. They test too many things at once. If you change the creative, the copy, and the audience at the same time, you will never know which change actually caused the results. The solution is simple. Test one variable at a time. First, find a winning creative, then find the best audience, then refine your copy, then choose the best performing placement, and only after that scale. These are the 5 phases we will go through in this video so your ads don't fail. Now, before we dive into the 5-phase testing strategy, there's something you absolutely need to get right first. Think about this: when someone sees a great ad from you and wants to learn more, where do they go? They check your social media pages, your website, your posts, and your reviews. If your social profiles, websites, and overall brand presence aren't optimized, you're leaving money on the table. People want to trust you before they take actions. That's why having a strong online presence is just as important as running a great ad. If you want to learn the exact strategies for setting this up organically, grab the free Marketer's Guide to Meta linked in the description. This guide doesn't just teach you how to run ads, it also shows you how to set up your business properly online, grow your audience organically, and make sure your brand looks legit when people check you out. Because ads bring people in, but your digital presence is what makes them stay. Now let's talk about tracking your ad performance. Before you even run an ad, you need a tracking system in place. If you are not tracking, you won't know what's actually driving results, and that's how budget disappear fast. The best way to track ad tests is with the simple spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, we have columns for ad creative, the image, video, or carousel used, audience, who we are targeting, copy, headlines, and primary text, key metrics like click-through rate and cost per click. We will go through what these metrics mean shortly. Now, if you are thinking, what if I don't want to put money behind something I'm not sure will work? Here is the secret. Instead of guessing which creative will perform well, test them organically first. The posts that naturally get the most engagements are the ones worth boosting with paid ads. This way, you are investing in ideas that already resonated with your audience, which increases your chances on strong return on ad spend. Now, along the bottom of the spreadsheet, you will see different tabs for the first 3 phases. Each tab is set up the same way, and we will fill them out as we go. Let's get into phase 1. The biggest driver of success in Facebook ads is the creative itself. This is why we test visuals first while keeping everything else the same. Now let's say we are a dental clinic in downtown Toronto and we want to promote a teeth whitening service. We create 3 different creative variations: a static image showing the results, a short friendly video, a carousel explaining the service. In the spreadsheets, the creative descriptions are different, but the audience and copy stay exactly the same. Here is how to set this up in Facebook Ads Manager. Create one campaign with your goal. Since we want to build awareness and engagement, we will choose an engagement objective. Inside that campaign, create one ad set focused on your target audience. Then create 3 ads and only change the creative for each one. Let these ads run for 3 to 5 days with a small budget around $5 to $20 per day per ad. Now this part is very important. After 3 to 5 days, it's time to analyze the results, but you need to know which metrics actually matter. For awareness campaigns, look at ad recall lift, engagements, likes, comments, shares, CPM, which shows how efficiently your ad is being delivered. For traffic and engagement campaigns, focus on click-through rates, CTR, cost per click, CPC. For lead and sales campaigns, look at conversion rate, return on ad spend, ROAS. Since this is an engagement campaign, we will focus on CTR and CPC. We can see that one ad clearly performed better. It has higher click-through rates and lower cost per click. This tells us that Facebook ads sees the ad as more relevant, so it rewards it with cheaper traffic. That winning creative moves on phase 2, and the losing ad can be paused, adjusted, or removed. Before moving on, let's answer a few common questions. What if two ads perform equally well? Extend the test for another 2 to 3 days, or look at deeper engagement metrics like comments and shares. What if an ad gets clicks but no conversion? The problem may not be the ad. It could be your landing page, offer, or website speed. And what if all ads underperform? Don't scale yet. Adjust the creative, messagings, or audience before moving forward. Now let's move on phase 2, audience testing. We take the winning creative and test different audiences. Each ad uses the same creative, only the audience change. Run the test for another 3 to 5 days, analyze the results, and choose the best performing audience. Then we move on to phase 3, copy testing. Now we take the winning creative and audience and test different copy angles. Relatable messaging, engagement-focused copy, urgency-driven copy, duplicate the ad, change only the copy, and test again. After 3 to 5 days, identify the best performing copy and disable the rest. Next is phase 4, placement testing. Keep the winning ad running and allow it to show across all placements, feeds, stories, and more. After a few days, review placement performance and turn off the placements that don't perform well, so your budget is focused on what works. Finally, we move to phase 5, scaling. Now you have the best creative, the best audience, the best copy, and the best placement. Take the winning ad set and scale carefully. Increase your budget by 20 to 30% every 3 to 5 days. Scaling too fast can reset performance, so take it slow and intentionally. And that's it. Now you have a complete Facebook ads testing strategy that helps you find winning ads without wasting money. If you want to go deeper and make sure your ads don't just bring clicks, but result, grab the free Marketer's Guide to Meta linked in the description. If this video was helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.